Welcome. Are you offering online consultations from home these days? Do you want to protect the privacy of your home by hiding out the background, or better still, show off a picturesque or colorful background? Today, I'm going to use the best background removal tool without using a physical green screen. You can then use this as a camera source for online calls, Logitech Capture in OBS, PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft Teams, or use it in a whiteboard or lightboard tutorial with PowerPoint or OneNote. You don't need a green screen or any fancy equipment. You just need a webcam or some other camera wired to your computer. You will need to download a freemium software, which means that it is free to try and purchase later if you are happy with it. I have bought an extended lifetime version since I am already very happy with it. I myself have found it to be the best background removal tool. So let's head to the computer where I will show you how to achieve this effect. So this is my laptop screen, and I have opened up XSplit VCam. As you can see, you can download this VCam software here, and since I've already downloaded it, I will go to the app on my desktop. You can upgrade to a paid version. I opened up the XSplit VCam app, and this is the view which I am presented with. This is the original background behind me. So if I want to change the background, I can proceed. Before proceeding further, first we should familiarize ourselves with the settings of this app. First you should select what camera you want. So I have a Logitech Brio which I have chosen. I could have chosen the Microsoft front camera. Then under the settings here, you can change the parameters of the Logitech Brio webcam. Over here you can see the properties. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness. I have done all that already. Then this is the three bars over here to the top left pertain to the settings of the app itself, that is the XSplit VCam app. So if I click on that, you can see the settings over here. It is recommended that you leave the hardware acceleration and quality controls at its default. For additional options, you can remove the chair. Other than that, it's not necessary to adjust any of these parameters for now. So we will close this now. So now this is the original background which we have got now. The Logitech webcam is just recording whatever is there in the background. If you're happy with this, you can proceed. Otherwise, if you want to achieve a bokeh effect or a background blur, you can straight away do that over here. See, in the original background, just below the video, you can see a slider for a blur. So I'm going to just increase this blur over here, and you can see that the background is getting blurred. You can blur it to your requirement and satisfaction. The background is further blurred now, and so your image is in full focus. So you have a very good background blur, as if you are using a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. The quality, as you can see, is very good. My outline is pretty clear, and my hands are also good. I'm adequately illuminated. There is no green screen spillage, which is one of the problems while using a green screen. You don't have to set up background lights and all that. So this background blur is quite okay. Otherwise, if you're not happy with that, you can add a further background here. Like in this, you can remove this background. You remove the background here, and you get a white background. So in this background, just see how your image is. If you got a sufficient contrast between yourself and the background, you will get a clear background. But otherwise, if there is something else, some other object in the background, and you're not, parts of your face are cut off, then just move and see what is behind you and remove an object. Remove that object. It is recommended that you have a good contrasty background behind you. Now you can add a background to this original image now. So let's go back to the original image, and let's decrease the blur and just leave it at that. And we can add a background now. So to add that, to add a background, here is an option here, add a background. I'm going to click on that, and these are the options which you are presented with. So I can add a media file, a YouTube video, a web page, or an Unsplash photo. So I'm going to add a media file to begin with. So I have several media files uploaded in my computer, and I'm going to choose one of them. So right now I'm in a conference room, and the conference room is to my back. It is well lit. After you added a background, then you can see this small edit background tool over here. Just click on that, and that will allow us to change the various settings of the background. So if I want, I can increase the brightness or decrease it, contrast. That's good enough. I can increase or decrease the contrast. I can zoom in, that is. I can pan to the left or right. Or I can pan up or down. I can flip the image, and that's it. So you can edit the background here by clicking on this tool. I can add an Unsplash photo. So you have this so many Unsplash photos over here. These are excellent backgrounds. Let's get back to the original background. Now this is a camera source. XSplit VCam is now a camera source, and it can be used in Google Meet or OBS or Logitech Capture as a camera source instead of the original webcam. Now I'm going to show you how to use this as a camera source in Google Meet. The advantages of this particular software is that the clarity is so good and all the images are of fantastic quality. The and you can also include a web page of your choice, which was not possible with the other app which I showed you in an earlier video. Refer to that over here. The latest version of this software, it allows you to adjust the various parameters of the background like saturation, brightness, contrast, pan, tilt, etc. You can adjust the background of your original background and make it to blur. So there are so many refinements in the latest version. It is probably the best background removal app at the moment. Now I'm going to use this in Google Meet. So I'm going to bring up Google Meet here. Now my Google Meet is showing the XSplit VCam as the source here. So if I just click on the source here, go to settings, you can see under video source that it is the XSplit VCam over here. So whatever adjustments I will do here will be reflected in this Google Meet image. So I'm going to blur my background as I did before in XSplit VCam, and it is reflected immediately in Google Meet also. I can increase the blur to 90%. And suppose I want to add a background here, so I can add, if I add a background in XSplit VCam, it will be reflected here. See that? I can add a green screen also, but there is no need to add a green screen here because it does the background removal and substitution without a green screen. I'll add another background. Let me add a colorful background here. It's a very colorful moving background with underwater rocks. And as you can see in Google Meet, if I move my hand here, the hand movements are not cut off. It's quite clear. The outlines and the contour of my face and my shoulders, they're all quite clear. Hand movements are not cut off. So there is no lag also. The quality is pretty good. And if you're not happy, we can play around with the background settings as I've shown you before. Brightness, contrast, everything. You can play around. After you've done that, you can reset it to the original settings. And there we are, back to the original settings. The background also has shifted to the original settings. Then we close that. And we proceed with our Google Meet, or if you have to record a video, proceed with the video and finally close everything and save it. And if you have recorded it in OBS or in Logitech Capture, then you save the video, edit it as you would normally do, and share it with your friends and colleagues, or put it on your website. If you are just doing a Google conference call, then you don't need to do anything, obviously. So you see, with just one software, you can get a beautiful background of your choice. You are in full control of it. The quality is very good. I think this is a very good background removal tool now. There is no hassle in setting up a green screen. So if you like this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center. I will see you in the next video. Bye.